Introducing the all-new Italiano range of pizza. Pizza Ultimo. Pizza Hut.
In related news, members from the government as well as the opposition continue to express mixed views on the 13th Amendment to the Constitution.
Not only the police and land powers, but the entire provincial council system should be amended. If this cannot be agreed to, the 5 main powers, including what strengthens separatism, land powers, police powers and the powers to unify all provinces, should be amended.
The National Freedom Front has put forward a candidate to contest in Trincomalee. Minister Vimal Weerawansa has made speeches everywhere, but he never mentioned anything about abolishing the provincial council system. He did not say anything about removing the signs of separatism.
13 is a law that was passed aiming at dividing this country. Because it was not implemented as a whole, the country has not been divided. If possible, obtain a 2/3 majority in the parliament and do something about it. If not, a referendum is needed.
We are not making these statements in fear of losing positions or abolishing the provincial council system. One cannot remove the abnormal from amongst the normals in this country. According to the constitution, that is a violation. You cannot do that anywhere in the world.
What has happened is that positions such as chief minister, ministers and members of provincial councils have been made and the treasury has to incur huge cost to maintain them. If you take an overall look, this provincial council system does not suit the country.
If someone is asking for the abolishment of this at a time when there's a political issue in the north and east, and when foreign nations are keen on speaking about this issue, I think it will push this country into a more controversial situation.
පළාත් සභා ඇති කරපු අවස්ථාවේදී ඒ ගැන සංවාදයක් ඇති කරගන්න අපිට අවස්ථාවක් උදා වුණේ නැහැ.
When the provincial councils were established, we did not get an opportunity to debate on it. What actually took place was a deal between armed groups. Therefore, we believe that both sides, especially the intelligent public, should hold a debate on this matter, casting aside political differences.
දේශපාලන ભેදයෙන් තොරව ඇති යුතුයි කියලා අපි විශ්වාස කරනවා.
ආණ්ඩුව ඇතුලේ තමන් මුහුණ දී තිබෙන අපහසුතාවයත් ජනතාව හමුවේ තමන් එළිදරව් වී තිබෙන ප්‍රමාණයත්
They present something like the 13 to cover up the difficulties that have arisen within the government and the extent to which it has been revealed to the public. In this backdrop and amidst all these issues, a situation has arisen where the United National Party cannot even attend a funeral. The United National Party is also thinking that they have presented a radical constitution.
ඒ වමනාවයි අරමු වමනාවයි තකට තක ඊයේ සාකච්ඡා කරා.
குறிப்பாக கிழக்கு மாகாணத்தில் மட்டுமல்ல
In a few months, when the provincial council election is held in the northern province and when a Tamil-speaking person is made the chief minister and when he begins his rule, those in the south who cannot bear this will say that the powers vested in the provincial councils should be abolished. What they want to achieve is to make the provincial councils powerless institutions.
பொருளாக மாற்ற வேண்டும் என்பதற்காக இன்று முயற்சி செய்து வருகின்றார்கள்.